The Umidigi A13 Pro 5G is Umidigi's most beautiful device. Let me put it this way, it is Umidigi's most beautiful 5G phone. The first 5G phone released by Umidigi is a rugged phone, the Bison GT2 series. There are 5G rugged devices released by Umidigi, I think a few months back. And there's also the Umidigi F3 5G, but none of these devices are as beautiful as the Umidigi A13 Pro 5G. The A13 Pro 5G is also one of the cheapest 5G phones you can get right now. It is very cheap. It is as cheap as the F3 5G. I think it's a little bit expensive than the F3 5G, but if that's the case, then it's okay, because in my opinion, it is better than the F3 5G. I'll compare the Umidigi A13 Pro 5G with the F3 5G. I'll put a link in the video description if you want to check it out. Anyway, in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the key features of the A13 Pro 5G. So without further ado, let's check them out. So Umidigi announced the A13 Pro 5G a few days ago. It is the latest smartphone from Umidigi, and in my opinion, it is one of the best budget 5G devices you can get in 2022. Okay, so the device is available in 3 different colors. There's a gold color, shining blue color, and dazzling black. At the back of the device, there's a module that houses 3 cameras, an infrared thermometer, and a flash. On the right side, there is a power button and volume keys. Embedded on the power button is a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, there is a customizable key which I think might be used to launch the thermometer, and there's a SIM slot. The phone has a hole punch display which I think is very nice. Only few Umidigi devices have hole punch displays, and they include the Umidigi Bison GT2 series, the Umidigi Bison GT, the Umidigi A11 Pro Max, and the Umidigi F2. In terms of specs, the phone has a 6.5-inch hole punch display with a 90Hz refresh rate. This is amazing, guys. Okay, I wasn't expecting Umidigi to do this. The F3 5G's display is, I think, 60Hz, so the A13 Pro 5G has a better display than the F3 5G, and the F3 5G's display is just HD+. The phone utilizes 8GB RAM, and it has a 128GB onboard storage, which could be expanded up to 256GB using an SD card. It is powered by the Dimensity 700, just like the F3 5G. It has triple rear cameras, as mentioned earlier, a 48MP main camera, a 16MP ultra wide camera, and a 5MP macro lens. The hole punch houses a 24MP camera for selfies. The phone is backed up by a 5150mAh battery, and it supports 18 watts fast charging. Very good. Other features includes NFC, Bluetooth 5.2. Like I mentioned earlier, it has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports AI face unlock. There's GPS, etc. So there we go, guys, the A13 Pro 5G. What are your thoughts about this amazing phone from Umidigi? I haven't tested the device yet. I've used many Umidigi devices in the past. They're not perfect, but they're great. I think this device is going to be awesome. It's not available in my country yet, but I'll try as much as possible to see if I could get it once it's available. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the A13 Pro 5G? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.